And Marcus Johnson of Phoebe Sumter is here to talk about women's health conference this weekend. Now I'm sitting here with Mr. Marcus Johnson. He's the marketing and PR director for Phoebe Sumter Medical Center. Here to talk a little bit about a big seminar you all have coming up dedicated to the issue of women's health.
Yes, first of all, let me thank y'all for having me here this morning. Yeah, we're having our first annual women's conference.
Okay.
We had a men's conference last September. We had more than 500 men, so we really want to keep the momentum going. Our whole attitude is an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So we want to get the women out here and give them the free testing. Going to have lunch and breakfast. We're going to have some dynamic speakers, so it's going to be a real good time.
You talked about having those 500 men. That's a big number. What are some of the topics you all are going to hit, specifically when it comes to women's health?
Well, we're going to basically have breakout sessions. We're going to hit on all types of subjects: sex after stroke, menopause, heart health, breast health. We want to have a wide array of things for all types of women to come out, whether they're 18 or 85, or it didn't really matter. We just wanted everybody to come out and have something for them when they came out. And again, we wanted to get heart disease out there. The whole theme of it is love your heart, because you hear a lot about cancer, but heart disease is the #1 killer of women.
In fact, we just talked a moment ago about how Barbara Walters just talked about having a valve replacement surgery this week. She's going to have that. And a local church just did a walk. Are you all doing this in honor of Women's Health Week, or? We're
doing it in honor of National Hospital Week, which is May 9th through the 15th, and we want to cap the week off with a women's health conference. Women are of course, the decision makers in the household when it comes to health decisions, so we want to have something. We couldn't have something for the men without having it for the women too. So
absolutely. What do people need to do if they want to come?
It's totally free. They just have to come. It starts at 8 o'clock at Georgia Southwestern, the Success Center. All they have to do is register when they get there. Okay,
so from 8 to 1 o'clock, Phoebe Sumter, but it's going to actually be at Georgia Southwestern.
Yes.
In the Success Center. And free health screenings for folks to take advantage of. And you've got one of our sister stations, an anchor there, as the keynote speaker.
Carla Heath-Sands. She's a very dynamic speaker. We felt like she would be a good person to let all the women know in terms of working, dealing with stress, and still trying to stay healthy and keeping an active lifestyle.
From WALB, and so many women out there and moms like myself, it's just part of what you do, but you do have to take care of yourself in order to take care of everybody else.
If the mother is sick, then it's going to affect the whole family, so we want to make sure that we keep her healthy.
Very good point. Marcus Johnson, thank you so much for being
with us today,
and good luck with the event.
All right, thank you for having me.